Well, I haven't gone to his units yet because you were talking to those people. Oh wait, one of them to start up. I think the one that started up. Oh good, the carriers are running. It's on right now. 2020. Oh no, the Winx didn't start up. This one's currently off. Carrier sounds really nice. I'm scared. Nice. And here's some training GE units. Oh wait, the GE unit has been replaced. There. It's replaced by a brand new American Standard unit. And the American Standard started up. There's the train. Well, rip. Train GE unit. Remember the American Standard just started up, as you can see. Sounds nice. With those two carrier comforts. We the comforts replace another train or a Winx or a GE. I'm just saying that GE was replaced. I'm not sure what that is.
It looks like a little thing to protect someone's car that comes down.
Well, the GE unit was replaced, unfortunately. So that's it. Over and out.